Hi guys, welcome to Tech Geek. So again we are back with another Leetcode question. That's the daily problem, short encoding of words. That's basically a Leetcode medium question, and it's not at all complicated if you go up with the basic idea of how to solve it. That's what I would like to say. So before beginning, I'd just like to request you all to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. That would be great help from your end and would actually encourage me to make more videos like this. Okay, so let's see what the question has. Okay, so the question says a valid encoding of an array of words is any reference string. We have to create a string of those array and array of indices such that words.length is equals to indices.length. Okay, that's the first constraint that we have. The reference string s ends with the hashtag character. For each indices I, the substring of s starts with index I up to, not including the next hashtag character is equals to word I. Okay. Given a length of words, given any array or any words, return the length of the shortest reference string for the possible encoding. So we need to find the shortest possible encoded string. We know the rules. Now let's see how we can encode it. Like so, we have been given an example of time, me, and when. I'll just show you here. Okay. So we have been given an example of time, me, and when. So we have to encode this particular string, right? So how can this string be encoded? So what we have to do, okay, I'll just change the color. Okay, so encode the string. We got this as the encoded string that's given as the output. Now how? For the first string, we'll mention this as it is. This is not the approach, I'm just explaining what the question says. Okay, this is our string. The string has ended, so we place a hashtag here. Okay, now talking about me. Is this particular string having the word me? Yeah, it is already having without any hashtag in between. So we don't need to include it. Again, coming to the next one, that's Ben. Okay. Again, the word ends first, so we'll have this. Any other word? No. Let's say we also had here B. So again, B would not be there because it is a pathway. This is what we need to follow. I hope this is clear with you all. Now let's see what the approach should be like. How should this be solved? So we have these words that are mentioned. That's the array of strings. So what we'll do, we have to check whether there's some repetition and we need to avoid this repetition. Let's say time was mentioned again, then too we don't need it. A substring is repeated, then also we don't need that. So for avoiding repetition, what we could use is hash maps. You can use hash set actually, that's what I meant. Sorry. Okay, yeah. We'll use this hash set. Why? Because hash set avoids repetition. If you again add this time then too, it won't take. So the very first thing we'll do is we'll add all the strings, or you can say array of words in the set. So obviously any repetition there would have been removed. Now secondly, what we'll do for this set, let's say the set, we'll iterate each and every word. Iterate each word one by one and find all the possible substrings and check if the substring is already present in the set. If yes, then remove it. Now what I meant for this is, in the set we have time. Let's first create this set. Let's go up with the second option because first I've explained. This is our set. Okay, though testing is a different word, but I joined it just to create this. Okay, now what we will do is, let me change a little and not make this as, yeah. So we have t, test, test, and test tube. Now we need to check whether this is a map, this is a set that we had. Now we'll iterate one by one. T. The possible substring is just t. Okay. So is t present anywhere here? Like it's the full word? No. Again we'll come here. Now we'll check for test all the possible substrings t, e, s, t, 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 e, t, s, and so many other. So what we'll do, we'll check is any of the substring present here. So t is already present, right? So we'll remove t from the set. Coming to test, again we'll find the all the possible substrings. We'll check whether is it possible. No, none of them is present now. Again coming to the next one, t. Again coming to this one, so I'll just keep the substring that is present in ours. So again one of the substring here is test, and test is already present, so we'll remove this test. So now the remaining substrings, or the remaining substrings that are, sorry, the remaining words that are should be the output. How? Test, hashtag, test tube, hashtag. This should be output now because we have t, we have test both in this. But what we need to return as the length. So what we will do, we'll find the number of words in the set and word length plus 1. So the word length plus 1 was 5. 4 plus 1, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1, 9. We'll add these two. Right? 9 plus 5. So answer should be 14. So what we have to do, we have to create a set, add all the words present in it, iterate through each and every word, find possible substrings, check if the substring is present. If it is present, then remove it from the set. If not, then iterate to the next word. And to find the final output, what you need to do, find the length of the word plus 1 and add all the possible words present. I hope the solution was clear. Now let's look at the basic solution. So, yeah, I basically go up with these type of solutions because I know you guys might not be aware of various things. So this is the thing that I choose. Otherwise, we could have done with tries to DFS, and there are various options for this. Now, word length is 0, obviously, then it should be 0 because there are no words. Then again, we'll create a set. We'll add the set. Now, we are iterating through each and every word. We'll check for the word length, find the substring, remove if the substring is present. That's why set.remove. Now, for every word, we'll find the length. That length is word length plus 1 and add those lengths. So this is really a very easy approach to this problem and it's 100% acceptable. So if in case you have any queries, do let me know in the comment box. Till then, thank you and keep following tech.